Nakajingay beteng ke Kynrum Kynram North Eastern Hill University NEHU kepadang yat haduk menta kalau penlong yau Dr. Mukul Sangma unong ilam kaliang persa hakayeng dorbar tawan ke jela ban penpau ke Shimkhia halor kani. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor hakano pai singi jangka arpulai teri ujemmang arja arpusan Dr. Mukul Sangma ula Kyntu ya ke Sorkar India bat kumjuru ya ke Sorkar jela makin Shimkhia halor kani kaman kenang ba ke Kynrum Kynram hakate ke skul ba kan poi no sekajing ya penbej. Nalor Ktah ula ongru baka jingay beteng ka Kynrum Kynram kan wan ra jing tang ki samla puli henrei kan Ktah ru ya ka Jingbna nam kate ka skul ba.
See, it is the job of the state government as well as the union government to sit together and find out all those irritants which probably is the reason for whatever is happening. It is not something which is really pleasant to discuss even, because from what I hear from all sides, therefore, delay in resolving has lots of negative ramification, uncertainty for the students, and the overall reputation, and it has its own resultant ramification on the branding and name and fame of this, I must say, a university of which we used to take pride, Northeast Hill University. Is it not a university which we should be proud of? Therefore, is it not necessary for the government, both the state and union government, to resolve this issue? It is their responsibility. They must do it. How they do it, how it should be done, I don't want to elaborate because it is somehow not very pleasant. Therefore, it is urged upon both the union government and the state government to ensure that this problem is resolved once for all, and the name and fame of the university is not allowed to be defaced.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam Ktah ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.